Alright, here are the 3 best things about this TN760 toner and DR730 drum replacement bundle. First, it includes both toner cartridges and a drum kit unit in one package, saving you from having to order separate parts when your printer needs maintenance. Okay. Second, the high page yield helps keep printing costs down. Each toner cartridge is rated for up to 3,000 pages, while the drum unit can handle up to 12,000 pages, which makes it a practical option for home offices and small businesses alike. And third, it's compatible with many popular Brother laser printers, making replacement quick and simple without the hassle of searching for multiple part numbers. Okay, so if you do a lot of printing and want a cost-effective way to keep your Brother printer running, this is definitely worth checking out on Amazon. Peace out.